Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu in the body color itself, rust color, rusty orange with block prints and zari lines, and we have a very contrast dark burgundy choco brown color blouse piece, a contrast one for the body. So our complete saree is in rust color with the borders in the pallu, blouse color, the burgundy color. The block prints are done in dark red and black. Here and there it's been printed. Very simple and very elegant color combination. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark ink blue, beautiful color, completely in same color. The pallu also in same color with zari lines and vertically printed design. And we have plain blouse piece in same color. Prussian dark blue it is. And we have beautiful same color with the prints in half white. Here and there a beautiful design is printed. It is a kind of floral, and we also have border designs printed in both sides of the saree. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red, dark red color saree with same color pallu, zari lines and vertical printed design in the pallu with same color blouse piece. Very elegant color, almost maroon shade. Beautiful one, completely closely printed design. Small design too. It is done in half white color with border design also printed. And we have beautiful zari border, gold zari border, which is also pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and white saree, black and white pallu, zari lines and beautiful block prints in half white color on black base, black blouse piece, majestic black, beautiful inkjet color. And this is the saree, base color is half white with prints completely in black. The borders are in black as well with zigzag lines pattern horizontally printed. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu with block print design and zari lines and a very different dark purple color blouse piece with one side royal blue color borders. The saree is in a very pretty shade, half saree model as well. The top portion is completely in turquoise blue with batik printing and purple prints all over. The zari borders are in royal blue shade, and the lower half is completely green. In the top, plain green, and the lower half is printed. Half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. We have beautiful black pallu with zari lines and block printed vertical pattern, and we have same color black color blouse piece with a very contrast one side border, yellow color, body color is given on one side, a beautiful yellow, bright turmeric yellow color with the prints completely in black flower pattern, and we also have temple border which is very very attractive in the side. Elegant combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu, fully zari lined pallu vertically with block printed design, and we have same pallu color blouse piece, pink one with one side orange borders, rust color. Beautiful rusty orange color. The pink and orange are always the best combination, and you can see the very different rangoli pattern. Inside it we have the tribal pattern as well with border design printed, and pink borders adds a beautiful look to the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue with mild green tinge color, or almost a copper sulphate blue color pallu on the saree with a contrast dark royal blue color blouse piece. The pallu have beautiful zari lines and block prints. The saree also in the same color, dark Ananda with mild green tinge, and we have the beautiful purple and blue printed block print design all over the saree. The borders are in royal blue, completely a blue based saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with yellow prints, the fish pattern along with zari lines in the pallu, and we have same blue blouse piece with one side dark blue color borders. It's a navy blue color saree with the borders of light blue in both sides, the Ananda color blue with the prints in yellow. On the center part we have the prints in half white and green. Beautiful one, blue and blue combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a red pallu with zari lines, brownish red it is, same color blouse piece, and one side we have yellow color border. The complete saree is in a turmeric yellow color, beautiful shade, goldish turmeric yellow with the prints in the lower half in red and green color. The borders are also in the pallu color, very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brownish maroon shade pallu with fish motifs in one side and zari lines in the main pallu, and the same color is given for the blouse piece as well. Almost maroonish red it is. The saree is in black with both sides we have the prints in half white. Beautiful fish pattern printed on both sides very elegantly using the shades of red and orange, and the borders are in pallu color. Temple borders also given with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu, almost a parrot green color, a little darker shade, and we have zari lines in the pallu with same color blouse piece, contrast one for the body, very contrast, ultimate combination, excellent magenta pink shade saree with the green borders, and we have the prints only in the lower half of the saree. Very elegant one, prints are in yellow and white color. Excellent color combination, beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printer, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree here with same color pallu and block prints. We also have zari lines in the pallu, and we have the same color blouse piece. The complete saree, the pallu blouse piece are in same red, light red color with prints all over, and using half white color. The floral pattern is very elegant, very attractive saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple base color pallu with zari lines and block prints. Same purple blouse piece, very different color. And we have a contrast dark magenta pink, black mixed pink it is. Excellent color with black prints. And we also have a white border in the lower part with purple leaf pattern printed on it. The zari borders are on the base, purple itself. Very elegant one, different color combination, a rare color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu, zari lines and vertical lip prints done in the pallu with same red color blouse piece. A very attractive red it is with one side grey borders. The saree completely is in grey shade with all over printing design done using half white and red. Closely printed floral, small flowers design. Very elegant one with zari borders in both sides. Elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue saree, almost a royal blue color with same color pallu, zari lines and vertical block printed design with same color blouse piece. On one side we have the block printed border design. The border design continues in the saree as well. Beautiful design mango printed here and there in the saree. Elegantly multiple colors used for it. Different concept, beautiful color, ever lovable blue with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon shade pallu, a reddish maroon color, zari lines and same color Blouse piece plain one with gold zari borders on both sides of the saree. Very elegant temple borders in the saree given as well. The sandal finish color it is with the prints in the lower portion along floral pattern. Orange and red used for printing. Excellent combination. A classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, zari lines and block prints, very beautiful design, and we have same color blouse piece with zari borders. The complete saree is in running pink color, almost in a magenta shade. Beautiful Pochambali kind bird design printed all over here and there, very elegantly with a very different temple border in both sides of the saree. Beautiful. The prints are completely done using half white with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brick red pallu with zari lines and zari borders. Same color blouse piece with one side dark navy blue color borders. The complete saree has zari border that is done on the brick red base pallu color, and the saree is in very beautiful dark navy blue color here with very elegant prints, yellow and green prints. We also have excellent printing in the lower half of the saree. Beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink color pallu with zari lines. Same magenta pink pallu color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is in copper sulphate blue with mild green tinge blue. It is very elegant one. The top is completely a plain one. The lower portion alone we have the prints using the pink and yellow paints. Very elegant one, simple and elegant with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, grey, red as well as black is there in the pallu vertically with zari lines and same maroon color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The saree is in very different light color, half white with yellow tinge, and the complete saree have batik printing also done using dark pink color, and we have a beautiful different design printed in the saree using black and pink. You can see the lower bottom we have maroon base as well. Excellent saree, multiple designs with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark choco brown, almost a burgundy brown color saree with beautiful prints and zari lines in the pallu with same color plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same running color with only the contrast buttas, that is the block printed design. We have a very different border design as well as the body design, that is a circle pattern done using half white color. Beautiful dark base and the buttas are in light color. Very elegant with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue color pallu with zari lines and same blue blouse piece. Completely a dark color. Contrast is also a dark color here. Body color is dark choco brown. Beautiful color. You can see the borders in the deep blue color, and the lower part of the saree we have the prints that is done using white and yellow. Very beautiful floral design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu. Maroon and orange is given in the pallu vertically with zari lines, and maroon is the blouse piece here with blue shade one side border. The complete saree is in beautiful blue shade. It's very different dark blue color, deep blue, and we have the prints only in the lower half. Pink and green is given for the printing. Zari borders adds beauty to the saree. Very elegant color with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, Prussian blue in a darker shade, almost in a navy shade. Same color blouse piece, a printed blouse piece, very different one with royal blue one side. Different shades of blue we can see in this saree. The saree color is also very pretty with very beautiful half white prints all over printed. Very closely printed design. Multiple designs used as well as we have a border design on it. Excellent blue saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a black pallu with zari lines and vertical printed version of block prints, and we have the plain blouse piece, black one with one side maroon borders. The saree is in beautiful maroon shade, pale maroon color with prints in black, and we also have the borders in the black base. Lower bottom we have a half white border as well with the black color floral pattern printed. Excellent beautiful color saree, different design with authentic style. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and violet base color saree, very excellent one, different color with dark burgundy charcoal brown color and pink mixed color, dress, very different color. Blouse piece. Saree is in purple and blue mix light color with the prints in dark blue and burgundy, and we also have a lower border that is in burgundy base color. Very elegant one, multiple prints used for it. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange and red vertically divided pallu with the zari lines, very beautiful pallu with red color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with zari borders on both sides, and one side we have a brown border. The saree is beautifully in orange color with the upper part and the lower part border. We have the beautiful fish motif design printed very elegantly on the half white base. The red and orange shades are used for printing, and a beautiful red border is given as well as a brown border is given in the lower part. Upper part is just the brown border. Beautiful design, excellent color combo with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark royal blue color pallu with white prints, and we also have zari lines on black base. Same royal blue color, bright blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in grey base with beautiful prints that is closely printed in half white color. The borders are in royal blue and the border is extended in the lower half with beautiful white prints, the mango design and leaf pattern. Elegant combination, very beautiful one with authentic silk.